One of the private mental health providers in England is the Priory Group. Professor Thompson is their chief medical officer.
I want to invest in mental health services to make them better. So I want the opportunity as an investor in a for-profit company like Priory. I want the opportunity to be invited with fair competition to improve the inpatient services for people with severe mental illnesses in this country where they are failing and where public capital has not been available and is unlikely to be available for the foreseeable future.
Do you think that the presence of a private company in the mental health services changes forever the relationship between the patient and the provider?
I don't think it does.
Why not?
In fact, I don't see how it should.
You're introducing for the first time the aim of making the person better and profit.
Not for the first time. We already provide about half of the country's eating disorder beds. We provide a third of all the inpatient beds for young people with mental health problems, and we're a profit-making company. I think the relationship that people want with the organisations that employ the people that serve them and help them to get better is that they have the right values, which are about providing the highest possible quality service to them as individuals. If they do that and are able to make a profit, then our experience is that people don't mind, as long as they're getting a good quality service.
Do you have a sales force as a private company sensing opportunity?
We've had a sales force for some considerable time. It's relatively small. It's nothing like one of the drug companies.
It's not going to stay small, though, is it, if GP Consortia comes through? And they're going to be not as experienced at buying things as you are at selling them. That's not a level playing field, is it?
I think GP Consortia will have to start employing people who have been used to buying things, and they'll employ people who were employed by the PCTs to do that for them. And in that sense, it's definitely a level playing field.